Okay, this video is to show you how to access Google Tour Creator for the upcoming assignment on ecosystems. So in your tab, you're going to go to google.com. Once you have the Google search bar up, you are going to type in Google Tour Creator. This is the platform that we are making this new assignment on. All right, then you'll have this link right here, the top tour creator through Google VR. It is a virtual tour that we're going to make. You are going to want to get started. So it's going to ask, it might ask you to sign in, or you might already be signed in. So you'll take a moment, you'll sign in. Here we go. Make sure you do this under your school account. Okay, you should get a screen that looks like this, only it's going to be blank. So what you're going to do is you're going to hover your cursor over this link at the top that says plus new tour right here. Now you have two options here. You can click new tour, which I recommend considering we're not really sure what ecosystem you plan on using and what biome it's located in. But you can also click templates and look through a series of examples that other people have done and use this tool for, this tour creator. So you can look at templates starting out. This will give you examples of many ways that the tour creator has been used. Or you can click new tour, and that's going to add it to your drive. So go ahead and click on new tour. All right, so now that you have the new tour open on Tour Creator, you're going to have to add a title. All right, right now it's Untitled Tour. I'm not really sure what ecosystem you plan on doing, but I might, for example, do a rainforest ecosystem for the project. So I'm going to title it Rainforest Ecosystem. You would have other examples possibly. Next, you're going to need to add some information into this description. This part is not necessarily graded. It could be as simple as stating like this is for 6th grade science. At NOMS with Mr. Valentine or Miss Peters or Mr. Donahue. You could also type in here like what the goal of this project is, that this will provide information on the rainforest ecosystem. Yours might be a different ecosystem. It could be just a very general description. You do need to have a description, but it's not going to be heavy with topics. And finally, we have this cover photo. Drop an image or select an image here. This image does not need to be a 360-degree image. It can just be a very generic image of the area that you are covering. So what you're going to need to do is actually go and find an image. So if I go up to my new tab, I might type in rainforest image. And that might pull up some pictures that I find. Some of these I can tell have been heavily modified on the computer. So I want to try to find a realistic image. Something I might need to type into my search bar is realistic or real, because you can get a lot of cartoons or a lot of different graphics that maybe aren't very realistic to a rainforest. Okay, once I've selected my image, I'm going to double click or right click with my mouse. I'm going to save the image as, you need to make sure that you know where you save it. So right now I'm saving mine to my desktop. You might save yours to your downloads, your documents. You can change the whereabouts here. I'm gonna save mine as rainforest image 1. I'm gonna have a lot of images that I might save for this project. I also want to make sure that my format has some kind of image like JPEG, PNG, things like that. Because if it says web in here, you're not gonna be able to upload it at all. All right, so I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna go back to my rainforest ecosystem. I'm going to select my cover photo. I know I saved it to the desktop. I will then open it. And now I have my cover image, I have my title, and I have my description. Let's see if I can create it. Okay. So it's going to immediately come up with adding a scene. Just click cancel for right now. This is my current Google tour right here. This is the very, very, very basic, the beginning of it. Okay, when I want to add things to it, I have to add scene down here, which is found in the lower left-hand box area. All right, once you've accomplished this, you should be ready for the next video. Thank you.